What's up, everyone? Back at it today. We're out on the lake. We're in the kayak. It's early. I'm gonna try to catch some big old fish. So, y'all stay tuned. Let's go rip some lips. Got my beautiful girlfriend out in front of me. She just got her hair done. Everybody be sure to leave a comment telling her it's beautiful. Best bud up in front of us up there. Never fished this spot before. Heard it's a good spot to fish. So we're gonna go find out today. I've done lost all control of my kayak. You'd have to see it to know what I was talking about. I was back there all out of control and stuff. They're busting all out here. I don't know, but I'm about to fish. We're in the lake. I don't know what we're doing. That's a good hint as to where they might be. cow. Let's go check it out. Yeah, look how pretty she is sitting there. Hey, baby. You're so pretty. Say hi to the folks. Might be bumping bottom. It's pretty shallow. Bubbles coming out of the mud. Methane gas.
That's not food.
No, ma'am. I know what's wrong with it. It's got gas in it. Oh, baby.
That was a fish.
Was a fish? I'm gonna try to position myself right up this shoreline right here. So I'll make a long cast and bring it straight back to me. That was not the sound of a backlash. And this is not the sound of me picking one out. And this is not the sound of me reeling all the line that I had to pick out back in. So I think I got here a little too late for the top water bite. I'm gonna try to put on a spinnerbait. See if maybe I can't get something out of that. A bit of stain to the water today. Give this one a try. No bites, baby? May not be. Kevin said it opens up over there, so we can start moving down. If you want to, you can start moving ahead of me, and I'll just fish my way to you since I'm fishing way faster than you. Or I can paddle down there with you if you want me to, if you don't feel comfortable. That didn't work. Do what? Yeah, we may need to get out a little deeper. I don't know how deep this lake actually gets. I didn't know I was supposed to. My bad. My bad. There's only a 99% chance that there are gators out here. I love fishing. There's just nothing better. Except for maybe my kids. I love my kids too. And my girlfriend. And my dog. Huh? Got one? You hung on something? I think you got a fish. Or you hung on something one. What's it doing, baby? You're hung. Take your rod tip, reel it all the way down. You might have to paddle your kayak back over some. Okay. Just be easy for a second. I'm coming. You don't want to break your line. Got you your worm back.
Look at you making up the shade again. I'm thinking I caught a fish.
There's really a fish on there. I just shook it off.
Where's my fish?
A kid, baby, a kid. Whoa, whoa, behind you.
Look, and now fish just stepped up. See, now you got it all right.
What, baby?
Huh?
What?
There's my worm.
Your worm what?
My worm went this way and I pulled it back.
New worm time. Fresh worm. It looks like one of those big chairs right there. So, I'm about to paddle up over here and sneak up on Kevin. This is his first time ever being on the YouTube channel. I'm not gonna tell him. Let's see how he acts. Kevin is a really good friend of mine. We met at work when I worked for a different company. We went fishing together one time and been best buds ever since. He's a really good guy. Dang, buddy, you don't mess around, do you?
No, sir.
You got 100 rods on that.
I come to get him and not change tackle.
I mean, I figured since I had your lighter, I'd come back over here for a minute. Good God Almighty. Oh, that's a bird. Them birds keep messing me up, man. Either that or there's a fish popping right out there. Grab the paddle. Oh, front. Okay. You got it. There you go, bud. Thank you for the loan. I ain't caught nothing yet.
I had a bite. I don't think the bass are real active up this way. Because back here is where a lot of people like to.
Yeah. That should be good for bass fishing. I've heard something, man. I heard something up in the weeds just raising cane. I couldn't get to it.
Yeah, over here too.
There should be one somewhere right there. Alright, finally got me one. Bass number one. No skunk today. Skunk out of the bag. He's a feisty little fella too. And I mean, little fella. There you go, buddy. Go grow up. I kid you not, man. That beetle spin never fails me. Am I playing? He did say another.
Let me show you my countryside through these old headlights. We can take this road as far as you want to go. I'll show you how a country mile can take us all night. Feeling higher than a bull's tail up an old dirt road. I ain't gonna run or hide.
All right, everyone. So we ended up standing out on the water for over 7 hours and my phone battery died. The fish didn't start biting until later on that afternoon. We caught several good fish. One really cool hybrid looking fish, and then Kevin actually caught 2 really nice bass. One that was 5.5 pounds, and the other one was well over 6. Sorry we couldn't get that on video for you, but as always, I appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll see you next time.